Imagine you are planning a trip to Jaipur. Instead of opening 10 different websites, searching for hotels, comparing prices, finding places to visit, and creating an itinerary yourself, you simply type plan a 3-day Jaipur trip under rupees 15,000. A few seconds later, the AI suggests hotels, recommends attractions, create a day by day itinerary, and even estimates the total cost. Now think about that for a second. How did it do all that? Did it already know today's hotel prices? Definitely not. Did it somehow search, compare options, and organize everything into a useful plan? Maybe. But if that's true, then something very different is happening behind the scenes. And that's exactly what we are going to understand today. Because this idea is at the center of one of the biggest shifts happening in AI right now, AI agents. Before we talk about AI agents, let's start with something most of us already know, traditional chatbots. A traditional chatbot is very simple. You ask a question, it gives an answer. For example, you ask, what are the best places to visit in Jaipur? The chatbot responds, tell me about Pratapgarh Fort. The chatbot responds again. In simple terms, you ask a question and the chatbot generates a response. This is how traditional chatbots work. And there is nothing wrong with that. They are designed to answer questions. But now let's change the request. Instead of asking what should I visit in Jaipur, let's say plan my entire Jaipur trip under rupees 15,000. This is not really a question anymore. It's a task. You are asking the system to help you achieve something, and that changes everything. Think about what would be required to create that travel plan. The system may need to look at hotel options, compare prices, find popular attractions, estimate transportation costs, and organize everything into a schedule. Suddenly, we are now no longer talking about generating one answer. We are talking about helping complete a task. And this is where the idea of an AI agent starts to appear. So, what is an AI agent? An AI agent is an AI powered system designed to help accomplish a task or achieve an outcome. That's the simplest definition. We did not say an AI agent knows everything, right? Because it does not. We did not say an AI agent can do everything because it can't. The important difference is this: a traditional chatbot mainly focuses on generating responses, an AI agent focuses on helping complete a task. The task could be planning a trip, researching a topic, analyzing a document, managing a calendar, helping write code, or solving some other problem. The focus shifts from answering questions to helping achieve results. Think about a travel assistant. You tell them, plan a 3-day Jaipur trip within my budget. They do not immediately give an answer. First, they gather information, then they compare options, then they create a plan. Their focus is not on answering a question, their focus is on helping you get something done. And that's exactly how you should think about AI agents, not as systems that simply answer, but as systems that help accomplish a task. Let's clear up one common misunderstanding. When people hear the word agent, they sometimes imagine a system that can do absolutely anything. That's not how actual systems work. Agents operate within boundaries. They can only use the capabilities they are given. They can only access information they are allowed to access, and they can only perform actions the application permits. This is actually a good thing because it makes the system safer and more predictable. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this: a traditional chatbot is primarily focused on answering questions. An AI agent is focused on helping accomplish a task. That's the core idea. The focus shifts from answering questions to helping achieve results. And once you understand that, all other concepts start making sense, like travel agents, coding agents, research agent, customer support agents. They are all built around the same principle, helping achieve an outcome, not just generating a response. Now you might be thinking, if an AI agent does not already know things like hotel prices or room availability, then how does it get that information? How does it interact with the outside world? How does it access systems, APIs, databases, and services? The answer is tools. And in the next video, we will break down tool calling from scratch and understand how AI agents actually get things done. I'll see you in the next video.